Hello, welcome to my After Effects tutorial. My name is Sukhi and in this video we will make this. First open After Effects. Then click New Projects. Then click Composition button. Write composition name. Select resolution according to your video. Frame rate 60 and duration 20 seconds. Then import your footage. Then drag your footage down to timeline. Right click your footage, track and stabilize. Track camera. After tracking you will get track points like this. And select one of the target by clicking solid and camera. Then create new composition and select resolution according to your phone resolution and hit OK. Then select your shape tool. If you can't see your toolbar, then click Ctrl+1 and double click on it. In shape layer, fill white. Stroke nil. Press T for opacity and make the opacity 10%. Make another shape layer. In this, fill nil. Stroke 5 pixels. Select the both layer and pre-compose it and name it glass screen. Select the second option and hit OK. Make another shape layer. In this, fill black. Stroke nil. Then copy the shape layer by pressing Ctrl+C and paste it on main comp by pressing Ctrl+V and link the shape layer to track solid 1 and press 3D button and select the shape layer and change its position and scale by pressing P for position and S for scale. Then go to Comp 1 and copy the glass layer and paste it on main comp. Then drag your 3D track camera down and then track solid. Make the duplicate of shape layer. Select your media clip and press mode and change to alpha inverted mode shape layer 1. Link the glass screen to shape layer 2 and press 3D button. Then change the position and scale of glass screen. Then import your phone screen recording and logo media. Then open Comp 1 and drag your media on that timeline. Then create new composition and name it screen. Select Instagram screen recording media and right click on it and press pre-compose it and name it Instagram. And do the same on rest of the media. open the Instagram composition and scale it and hide the part which you don't want to see. And do the same on rest of the composition. Then go to screen composition and select the all three media composition and copy it and paste it on main comp. And link all three composition layer to shape layer 2 and press 3D button and scale all composition layer right, left and top of your phone. If you have problem by watching your layer position, then click view button and select view according to you. And then drag your logo layer on screen comp and pre-compose it and name it logo. Make duplicate of logo composition and drag it side by side so we can increase the length of logo composition. Select all the logo composition layer and again pre-compose it and copy that logo composition layer and paste it on main comp. Link the logo composition to shape layer 2 and press the 3D button and then scale the logo composition. And then press the mode button and select blending option to screen. Select the Instagram slide screen and music layer and change the blending mode to screen. Then import the wallpaper in your media. And drag it down to main comp timeline. Then link your wallpaper to shape layer 2 and press 3D button. Then off the visibility of shape layer 2 by clicking I button. Then change the position and scale of wallpaper. Then go to Effect and Preset and write Change to Color and drag it to your main video layer. Go to your Edit Control and go to Change to Color. Change the from color by picking your screen background color and change to color to any gray color. Then select the Shape tool and make a circle by pressing Shift. Make the fill nil and stroke 31%. Link the shape layer 3 to shape layer 2 and press the 3D button and change the scale and position of shape layer 3. Then import your PNG ring circle and drag it on your main comp. Link your PNG file to shape layer 2 and press 3D button. Change the position and scale of your ring. If you have problem by watching your layer position, then click view button and select views according to you. Then go to Effect and Preset and type Glow and drag it to your PNG layer. select your PNG layer and go to Effect Control and change Glow Radius to 197, Glow Threshold to 100%, Glow Intensity 1.8. Same as do with the logo layer, Instagram, slide screen, music and circle shape layer. And then we animate this. Drag your music layer 2-3 seconds forward. Move your cursor 4 to 5 frames. Go to edit and click split layer. Do this 4 to 5 times. Go to your Instagram layer and do this same. Move your PNG shape layer 3 and logo 2-3 seconds forward. And move your glass screen 1 second forward. Select glass screen layer. Move your cursor to the starting. Open transform setting. Make your opacity 0. Press toggle button. Move your cursor 2-3 seconds. Make opacity 100. Create new black solid layer and name it stars. Move that layer 3-4 seconds forward. Go to your effect and preset and select CC particle void and drag it to your star layer. Then go to effect control. Go to particle. Change particle type to faded sphere. Then change birth color and death color to white. Max opacity 100. Size variation 100. Change birth and death size 0.1. Change longevity 20 and birth rate 30. Go to physics and change velocity and gravity to 0. Go to producer and change radius X to 2.445 and radius Y to 1.925 and radius Z to 1.555. Go to particle and change depth size to 0.5. Link your star layer to shape layer 2. Select the star layer and put your cursor 2 seconds forward. Go to effect control. Press the toggle button of birth rate. Put your cursor 2 or 3 frames forward and then change the birth rate to 0. Move your star layer 2-3 seconds backward and then create duplicate of star layer. Pick one star layer and drop it on track solid 1. Open first star layer, open effect, then open CC particle world. Then click left arrow key, then change the birth rate to 5. Then select both the star layer and move 2 seconds forward. Put your cursor on starting of star layer and press T for opacity and change the opacity to 0 and press toggle button. Then move your cursor 1 second forward and change the opacity to 100. Then export it. Go to file and go to export. Add to Adobe Media Encoder. Select the file type. Select the high bitrate and select the path of the file where to export. Then press the play button. Thanks for watching and please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel.